Here we are again, gravel fans. We're out the back of Biddyfoot, which is near Masterton in the lower North Island. I've travelled down from Ashurst via some gravel roads to Eketahuna. Got to experience all sorts of weather, from pouring rain to sunshine, and now I'm on to Wairiri Road, which is a real cracker as it winds its way up this hill. Unfortunately, yet again the GoPro is playing up, and you'll see where we get so far into the ride and it just stops. Perhaps I'll point that out and curse the GoPro a little. And here's something you don't normally see every day when you're out on the gravel. And right here is where the GoPro gives up on us, just as things were getting a bit interesting. Oh, great. Back into it again on the downhill now. You can tell the weather's got just slightly different, actually quite damp in places, and I'm going to blame a wet visor on my nannerish riding. I'll stick to that too. And now I'm turning on to Daggs Road, which is nowhere near Taihape, so maybe it's just named after the famous gentleman from Taihape. Daggs Road is going to take me right down the hill back onto Route 52, and today I turned left at Route 52 to take in Barton's Line. Barton's Line was superb. The gravel was beautiful, the bike was sliding, fun was had. But the GoPro, yet again, let me down, and you'll miss all that action. I'm sorry about that, but trust me, it was great. Catch you next time.